y'all, welcome back to my channel.
What it do, Jada Boo?
It cools the fire that burns in me, and I simply lose control. So just rain down.
So today's video, I have a unboxing of my MacBook. I have the MacBook Air, and she's really gave it up on me, and I'm just so upset. So I had to get them. So I got the MacBook Pro 13-inch display with touch bar, i5, 256 of storage. That's what I got on my phone. But this one, it had like, I said like 32. Yeah, I'm just gonna get started. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notifications on so you can know when your girl posts. But yeah, let's just get right into the unboxing. I got my little pink knife right here. I feel like I'm doing a very ghetto unboxing, but it's okay. Normally when people open their box, they be like, it smells good, but it smells like mothballs. So now Apple has it where you don't have to like cut it like we used to, so now you can just pull it. And by the way, this is like a 2011. I got it when I first started college because I thought I was just gonna be doing college work on it, but it's very, very terrible with editing. All right, let's get into it. Get into it. Oh, there she is. Look at her, she looks so good. I got the 13-inch because I think the 16, it was a little more, and like I got a desktop, so I don't really mind having a small computer. So I have my accessories right here. I got this case off of Amazon. It's marble, and it has an actual case to put on the laptop. They're two different colors, but on the Amazon website it wasn't, and that's the color, and then this is the color of the case. So yeah, let's just get into the laptop. It's more boxier, by the way. This one, it comes slim. It's like, as y'all can see, it goes down. So the ports on the side, it only comes with two. The 16-inch has both of these on both sides. So mine doesn't come with that. Unfortunately, I can't charge which side I want. So I bought this adapter from Amazon. I think it was like $19, so that you can put on the side, like right here, and you can plug in all the SD cards, and then you got your USB for like your phone, and then there's a charging spot right there. Next is the charger stuff. People like to go into details about this stuff, but I'm not gonna go into details. So you got your informational handbook for like, if you wanna know like information. It comes with a charger, and now the chargers have these two things on the side, so it doesn't have the actual, I'm not that deep into tech, so I don't know the actual term for it, but it has these two on both sides. Unlike the old charger, it's just, I mean, other people, they had like it's an actual block, and you cannot disconnect it. So that's how far my MacBook goes back. And then it comes with this block. I feel like it's the same size as my old one. I wonder when Apple is gonna go through a phase of they make their chargers matte and they make these like glossy. I feel like they're gonna do it next year. Just know if they do it, they saw my video. So I've been watching very like detailed MacBook unboxings, and I see that it turns on by itself. And then the space gray, nothing compared to this. Like, what is this? And this is the size comparison. Press the return key. She's talking to me. Okay, so this is the comparison. It's like shorter or whatever, and the screen size is bigger. Like, it has more edges than the other one. Look at the edge, like the ghetto. So she said, set up my language. I'm English, because I speak English. And then the trackpad is so smooth, and it has the touch bar right there. So I'm gonna set up my Wi-Fi, and I'll be right back. It's asking me, do I want to set up my MacBook with all my other information from my other iCloud, and I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna set it up as a new PC. Start off fresh, because I don't want to put information on here that takes up space. Like I did my desktop, I didn't put all my information from my other MacBook. I'm just transferred by myself. So yeah, I'm gonna just set this up, and I'll be right back. So it's asking me to set up Siri, so I'm gonna do that now. Hey Siri.
Hey Siri.
Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Okay, I set it up. Asking me to do Touch ID. Touch ID on a computer? I don't have to type in a password all the time like this. And then it's asking me, do I want light or dark? I'm gonna choose the dark because I like the dark. So it's setting up. She's so cute. I'm gonna put my I'll put this home screen on my MacBook, and I'm gonna get it set up and put my case on it. And yeah, I'll be right back with that. Okay, so I got it all set up, and this is my home screen and my screensaver. I changed it to this. So cute. My friend made it for me. It's on my what's on my iPhone. It's on all of it. So y'all see this wallpaper everywhere. So now I'm about to put the case on my MacBook. It's so cute. Oh my god. It's gorgeous. Get into it. And my other one used to overheat, like it would get so hot on my lap. So she's at 63 right now, so I'm gonna go charge her. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, because I know I did, even though it took me so long to get my MacBook. Like I thought I was gonna get it at the end of the day. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video of my unboxing of my new MacBook Pro. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video.
Simply lose control.